Hey guys, today I'm going to make coffee pudding recipe. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video and let's know how to make this delicious coffee pudding dessert. So first of all, I'm going to take a bowl and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coffee, with I'm adding 1 tablespoon of water in it. Mix it well with the help of a spoon. So once it's mixed, then we will move towards the next ingredient. As you can see, it's mixed well. I'm going to take another bowl and I'm going to add cornflour 2 tablespoons in that. With that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water. After adding water, we are going to mix it well with the help of a spoon again. And as you can see, once it's mixed and there are no lumps of the cornflour in it, we will move towards the next process. First of all, I'm going to take a pan and I'm going to add 1 liter of milk in it. We're going to take fresh milk. We are not taking powder milk. So once it's done, we are going to move towards the next process. Well, after adding milk, we're going to place it on the stove and on high flame, we are going to boil it. Let's getting boiled. Why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button? Once you're going to hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. I'm going to add sugar about half cup and then I'm going to mix it with the help of a whisk. Well, sometimes we don't have to mix it that much, and if you don't do that, it's really up to you. Again, I'm going to add coffee mixture in it, and with the help of a whisk, I'm again going to mix it. And once it's mixed, you'll see that it has changed its color. And you have to bring it to boil. As you can see, it's boiling. Again, you have to keep boiling so that the mixture does not come out of the pan. With that, I'm adding cornflour mixture, and after that, again mix it well. And we have to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes, or maybe more. Maybe 10 minutes would be more than enough. And once the mixture is thick, we are going to take it out into a presentable dish or a presentable pan. As you can see, the mixture started getting thick. We are going to put it into a pan. And as you can see, I have a glass pan. I'm going to place it in this mixture. With that, I'm going to freeze it for 30 minutes in a refrigerator. And once it's freezed, it's completely ready. You can garnish some of the chocolate chips on it and you can eat it and enjoy it. And I hope you really like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family so they can get access to my videos as well. And if you have any query related to any video, just comment in the comment section and I would be rather happy to answer you on the first go. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel.